Okay, guys, this is going to be our week 10 of this semester. All right, so we have only 5 weeks left, including this week. So I hope you can survive up to all the way up to the end of the semester. All right. Anyway, topic for this week is called Autoregressive Model, AR model. All right. The name is not very important. You don't have to remember this name, but it's another regression model that we are going to study this week. So the assumption is that the current value depends on the past value. All right. So for example, today's temperature will depend on yesterday's temperature, or maybe 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Okay. So it's basically the regression. So this is y today is equal to y t minus 1 is, let's say, yesterday, or y t minus 2, 2 days ago, up to maybe 1 year ago or something, okay? So instead of you have independent and dependent variable that we studied previous weeks, such as maybe salary depends on the education, right? Uh, Instead of this assumption, we use only just one uh, series or one variable, but we run the regression on the past value. Okay. The formula looks very crazy, but actually not very difficult. Also, let's look at our example. So we will use CPO stock price. Okay. So we go to this Yahoo Finance. Okay. Then we type CPO. All right. Then we have this data. Okay, so today's price is 68. All right, so go to historical data. Okay. All right. And we use daily data, and the historical price we use 1 year. All right. So August 2019 to August this year. All right, then let's download. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, first thing I will do, this is from the old to new data, so I changed the other way. Okay, so I changed to the newest to the oldest. All right, then I don't need all these data, so I just delete this. I want the adjusted cross. Okay, so this is actually the CP or stock price. Okay, then we need to calculate return. Okay, daily return. Okay, so you guys remember how to calculate the return is equal to today minus yesterday. Excuse me, divided by yesterday. All right. Okay. Then you just need to double click, then go all the way. All right. So actually, this is going to be our y. Okay. Then assumption is that maybe yesterday's return influence today's return. Okay, so actually this is yesterday return. So it's going to be y, let's say -1. Okay, so it's just this number. Okay, so copy and when you paste, make sure you paste as number, test value. Okay. Okay. So our assumption is that this is July 31st. So this is yesterday's return, and this is today's return, right? So we assume that yesterday's return affects today, yesterday affects today, so on. All right. So then we just run the regression. All right. Then y is equal to these guys. Go all the way up to here, right? Because we cannot use this data. Okay. Then x is going to be all the way to here, right? Okay, then I have some label, because label means, remember when we select the data, we select the top label as well. Okay, then we want worksheet. Oh, no. Output range is going to be somewhere around here. Okay, then click OK. Here we go. So this is a result of our regression. So this is y equal to minus 0.007 minus 0.12571 y minus 1, right? This is yesterday's return. So this is our equation. And remember, the p-value is almost 5%. It's a little bit higher than 5%, but almost 5%, which is, we can say that this is significant, almost, right? And this is negative, okay? So what can we say from this data is that yesterday's return affects today's return with significance. Significance means statistical significance, because this is almost significant, right? All right. And if yesterday's return is positive, today's return is going to be negative, or yes, because this minus means if let's say yesterday's return is negative, then it's going to be more likely to be positive. Not 100%, but more likely. Sometimes it's negative like this, right? But if positive, then negative the other way, because this coefficient is negative. So that's what this means, right? Okay, so actually you can predict today's return of the CPO stock price using the yesterday's return, right? And this is not my assumption. This is actually the statistical result. Okay, so this is something we call AR model, autoregressive. All right. We can always do not only yesterday, but maybe 2 days, let's say, return 2 days ago. We can go not only 1 day, but we can go up to 2 days as well. Okay, so it's going to be y minus 2, right? Okay, then what is 2 days ago from here? Okay, so we copy and paste. Okay, so so make sure when you paste, you paste value, just a number. Okay, so now we have multiple regression. So this is today's return. This is yesterday's return. This is 2 days ago return. So we assume that okay, yesterday's return maybe have some influence on today's. How about two days ago? Does the return from 2 days ago have any influence on the today? So let's see. So we already have all the number, so we just do the same thing. Regression. Okay. Then y is the same. Right. Y is the same, but we can use only up to here. So 2 for 2. So I just change 2 for 2. Okay. Then this time we have two variable, 2x. Okay, then we over here. Same thing, we have label and output range. We want, okay, somewhere around here. Okay, then okay. What is it? Okay. Uh, what happened? Let's see. Oh, what did I do? What did I do? Hold on a second. I stopped one time. Hold on a second.